Hey folks, Jimmy Weller here with Weller's Utility Trailers. We got a lot of trailers. This one right here is a 20-foot car hauler, but it has some options to it. First off, it's 7-foot interior height. This door opening is going to be about 6'8". Obviously, it has the ramp door, the beaver tail, the D-rings, all standard. Has an interior light on each wall, 12-volt light. It has a Luan ceiling, electrical package with the two 4-foot lights. There's a receptacle there. There's a receptacle by the side door. Has a sidewall vent for good circulation. It is a V-nose, and it's got this counter here, so you get a lot of counter space. These cabinets, overhead cabinets, and then the base cabinets. Lots of storage space. Over here is where you have your breaker box for your electrical package and the cord that drops through the floor, so you don't have to worry about water getting in. And then it has the side door with the built-in stepwell. This trailer here is 8.5 by 20. It is available at Weller's. We have financing available. We have rent-to-own available. Check out Wellers.com. Have a fine day.